Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Sana. I am Sanaya Singh. I am a 5th grade student. Today I am going to tell you 5 common mistakes we do. First is I'm good in English is wrong. It should be I'm good at English. Second is today is Saturday. It's wrong. It should be it's Saturday today. Next is we had fun at the party. It should be we had fun during the party or we had fun at the party. Fourth is I'll see you on in Monday, but it's wrong. It should be I'll see you on Monday. Last and the least is we are meeting in the weekend. It should be we are meeting on the weekend or we are meeting at the weekend. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Sana.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.